In today's video, I'm demonstrating the preparation of a 3% hypertonic saline solution for educational purposes only. This video is strictly for educational purposes. The procedure must only be performed by appropriately trained healthcare professionals according to an approved institutional protocol under appropriate supervision and safety guidelines. Do not attempt to prepare or administer this solution without proper authorization and clinical supervision. First, verify the prescription or preparation order, including the required concentration, final volume, route, and patient-specific requirements. Before starting, check all required solutions, containers, syringes or measuring equipment, labels, and other necessary supplies. Perform proper hand hygiene and use appropriate personal protective equipment. The preparation area should be clean and suitable for the required level of aseptic preparation, integrity, and storage conditions of each product. Always check the name, concentration, expiry date. The required components are measured and combined, strictly according to the approved institutional formula or pharmacy SOP. The exact quantities should never be estimated or improvised.